The Mercedes-Benz 300SL Gullwing Coupe, a car that isn't just a marvel of engineering, but a piece of art. Born in the 1950s, it captured hearts, set records, and defined an era of automotive excellence. But what makes this car so special? Let's take a closer look. The 300SL was introduced in 1954. Its direct ancestor was a racing car, the W194 Coupe, that was designed by the legendary Mercedes engineer Rudolf Uhlenhaut in the early 50s and driven to victory in events like wins at the 24 Hours of Le Mans, the Carrera Panamericana race in Mexico, the Eifelrennen at Nürburgring, and the Bern-Bremgarten in Switzerland. Mercedes-Benz wanted to bring this racing pedigree to the road, and the result was the 300SL, the world's first production car with a fuel-injected engine. It was arguably the first supercar in the modern sense of the word. At its heart was a 3.0-liter inline-six engine, producing 215 horsepower. This might not sound impressive by today's standards, but back then, it was revolutionary. Combined with a lightweight tubular space frame, the 300SL could achieve a top speed of 160 miles per hour, making it the fastest production car of its time. The 3.0-liter, single-overhead cam straight six, with its Bosch mechanical direct injection, feels responsive and wonderfully flexible. It's redlined at 6,000 RPM, impressive for a six-cylinder street engine in 1954. According to the shift points on the speedo, that's enough to get to about 44 miles per hour in first, 75 miles per hour in second, and 108 miles per hour, the top speed of a 1954 Corvette, in third gear. And given enough Autobahn, Mercedes would permit you to coax the engine to 6,400 RPM in fourth, enough for 161 miles per hour, making the Gullwing easily the fastest production car in the world at the time. State-of-the-art supercar engineering has come a long way from the 300SL's drum brakes and recirculating ball steering. The steering is heavy, particularly at low speeds through tight corners, and there's a lot of free play on center. The braking is strong, and the well-placed pedals make it easy to heel and toe on downshifts. And then there are the doors. The signature Gullwing design wasn't just for aesthetics, it was born out of necessity. The space frame's high sides meant conventional doors weren't an option, but this limitation became a design icon, a feature that turned heads and set the 300SL apart. Step inside, and you'll find an interior that's both functional and elegant. Luxurious leather seats, a beautifully simple dashboard, and meticulous attention to detail remind you this is a car built for both speed and style. But the 300SL wasn't just a pretty face. It was a car you could drive, really drive. Its lightweight construction and advanced suspension made it agile, while the direct fuel injection gave it power and responsiveness that set it apart from competitors. It's no wonder that the 300SL became a symbol of status and sophistication. Celebrities like Pablo Picasso, Paul Newman, Gable, Sophia Loren, the race car driver Juan Manuel Fangio, they all were captivated by its charm, while magazines hailed it as the pinnacle of automotive design. Today, the 300SL remains one of the most sought-after classic cars. Its rarity, performance, and timeless design have made it a blue-chip investment, with auction prices reaching into the millions. The Mercedes-Benz 300SL Gullwing Coupe isn't just a car, it's a legacy, a testament to what happens when engineering brilliance meets artistic vision. It's not just part of history, it is history, and its legend will continue to soar for generations to come. If you enjoyed this look into automotive history, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dives into the world's most iconic cars. Thank you for your attention and have a nice day.